everyone. If your games keep crashing on your PC or laptop and it's driving you crazy, don't worry. I'll walk you through a few things you can try to fix it right now. To start, open the search bar at the bottom of your screen and type in Graphics Settings. When it appears, tap on it to open the menu. Now scroll through the list and look for your game. If it isn't there, that's completely normal. Just use the Add button and choose whether your game is a desktop app or a Microsoft Store app. Once it's added, tap on it and choose Options. Here's the important part. Make sure High Performance is selected. Some computers switch to power-saving modes that limit the CPU and GPU, and that can cause games to crash or freeze. So, choosing High Performance gives the game full power. Tap Save when you're done. Next, open the search bar again and type Task Manager. Check your CPU usage. If you see any apps eating a lot of resources, things like Chrome, Discord, or background tools, you can close them if you don't need them while gaming. Just select the app and click End Task. This frees up more system power for your game and can help stop random crashes. Now, one more thing that helps in many cases, search again and type Edit Power Plan. When it opens, go to the top and click Power Options. Make sure your PC is using the High Performance plan. This mode prioritizes speed and stability instead of saving energy, which is exactly what you want when running demanding games. After switching these settings, your game should run smoother and crash way less often. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and subscribe for more easy fixes just like this. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your games.